Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning, Sutton High. I'm Jake.
What's good?
That's Calvin.
I'm Kelvin.
It is Tuesday, November 23rd, and it is day 6.
For lunch today, we got cheese and specialty pizza. It's a 3-bean salad, peaches, and a cookie. Love cookies.
Guidance news. Interested in game design, welding, manufacturing, or video production? If so, please check your email for some exciting new course information through BVE Excel. Join other students in the Blackstone Valley for this spring semester course offerings. Check it out. You'll be glad you did.
General information. The volleyball tournament is tonight. I'll be there catching doves. You know, I'm winning it all.
I'm there for support.
Yeah.
All right, well, attention sophomores. The calendar and the money are due on Monday, or else. But this Monday it's the Monday we come back from Thanksgiving break. Remember, if you don't bring the calendars or your money, you'll never see your family again. Oh, no, just kidding. You're responsible for the amount of calendars given to you. So sell those calendars and bring them as soon as possible. All funds go to you and only you.
Athletics and esports. Congratulations to Charlie Sumner, Alex Sumner, and Will Edwards for competing in the MIAA State cross-country meet this weekend. Great season and proud of your personal best. Another big congrats to our Suzies Soccer team for their MIAA State Championship win over Palmer, 3-2 on Saturday. Way to represent Sutton. Trophies from the season are on display at the main office.
Yay!
Yep.
All right, powder puff is tomorrow. So you already know, senior girls win at all costs.
I'm coaching, so like,
Death before dishonor.
we winning.
Yeah. All right.
Death before this. Anyone interested in a part-time job? Well, look no further than your very own Sutton High. We are in need of part-time employees to help with the custodial services. You can work right here, right after school, and make a good wage, and be home in time for supper. See Mr. Raymond if you're interested.
We got some very special guests today, and we're gonna send it over to them.
What's up, Sutton High School?
SHS is planning a toy drive with the Toys for Tots Foundation.
That's right. This starts the Monday after Thanksgiving break and runs until December 8th.
On Black Friday, make sure you grab a Lego set or a small gift. You can make someone's Christmas a whole lot better.
That's right. The drop-off bins will be in the cafeteria by the main office.
Thanks a lot, guys.
That wasn't scripted, but no. we all got a whole lot for you today. It's Tuesday before Thanksgiving break, so have a great day.
Sutton High.
Yes.